Welcome back and welcome to another episode of
Unofficial Flavor! Just love it. Like it, hate it. Either way, just enjoy it.
And watch it.
Our last one, we got about 175. Last I checked. So go ask, go out of fish flavors. Well, that is, we know straight now, so like when this actually comes on, it'll be like,
Okay, shut up. His name is Edward Lincoln. I call it bad spray tan. It's a cross between Edward Cullen, because he's ugly. I'm so sorry, Twinny, but you have to get in your head that he's ugly. And a cross between Abraham Lincoln. Sorry, I forgot his name because of his facial hair. See it? Okay. See him? Now you don't. Now you see him? Now you don't. Now you see him? Now you don't. Yeah, they just had an apple. What was wrong with me? I've always wanted to be a cat.
Done past 7. Morning. Morning.
A time to die.
Well, we just. What's with the screaming today?
I had a splinter in my finger.
Anyway, we just went down to 7-Eleven
To get some slushies. They have the best slushies
Ever.
Yeah, you should
Die
try
for
them.
it.
They're really nice.
I think everyone has.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Right there?
I just touched your foot.
Anyway, and went on my leg. And on the way, I was doing this. I'm like, woo! And screaming off the top of my head. And Cassie's dancing around in a fairy dress. Well, it's mine.
And I was just being a bit fun and I was kind of just walking. But anyway,
It was funny. We got 15 beeps.
15! Like,
Oh my god.
and we're doing this, and no one was beeping. Everyone was waiting.
Yeah, and they're doing this. And like, no, beep.
We got some guy in a scooter doing this to us though.
He was like thrusting and we're like, no, we want you to beep.
Yeah, not a good idea to do that on scooter either.
What an a-hole.
And everybody else wouldn't do it, and they just wave and we're like, no.
We only got guys to 15 guys and they were men.
Yeah, they're all like younger than my dad, about
About
like 20 to 30.
Yeah, 25.
And this guy like jumped out the window and yelled at us.
We're like, wow! And every time they beep, we all put our hands up and we're like, wow!
We should have had a sign that said, honk if you're horny. No, just honk.
Just honk! Honk!
By the way, the t-shirt. Shut up!
Sorry.
By the way, the t-shirt that Cassie has on is right.
Do Right Love on Her Arms. It's an organization that helps young people, teenagers who suffer from depression, drug addiction and self-harm.
Yeah.
And you should all go to their website and you should all donate because it's a really good cause and you get sexy t-shirts.
Very
Yeah.
sexy.
It's nice. It's a good thing to do.
It's a very good program to help people with problems.
It is. It's a problem.
Not problem.
Well, not problems, but
People
like
with those types of issues.
issues.
Did you hear on the news that koalas are going extinct, man?
I know.
Save the koalas.
We need to save the koalas because people keep like going ripping down their forests and then they build more forests. And continuing on.
And have you ever seen the signs like on the street that says it's pretty precise for a koala because it says koalas crossing between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. That's pretty precise for a koala.
What are they doing? Just going.
What the hell is this?
They want their.
Telling the others to come.
Yes.
Yeah. Or there's like 4 kilometers.
Yeah, all
What
lined up in a
koalas
row.
crossing? Okay. I wait for them. I wait for them to come along and be like, walking across the road. I wait for them.